Are you using a regular phone such as your personal cell phone for your business? You can convert your phone into a business phone with more features than a large enterprise at a fraction of the cost. You don't need to buy any hardware or special phones. You don't need to install any software either. You can set up the service within 3 minutes. Okay, here's how it works. You can sign up online and select your phone number from any city or a toll-free number. When your clients call your culture number, you can make a positive and professional impression on them by recording a greeting that says,
"Welcome to Acme Corporation. Please hold as we connect you to our staff."
Or you can have a greeting like this.
"Welcome to Acme Corporation. Please press 1 for customer service. Press 2 for administration. If you know the extension of the person you want to reach, please enter it now."
You can even woo them with nice music while they're on hold. You can create an extension number for every employee and forward the calls to your staff's phone number. You can even forward the calls to all their numbers, including their personal cell phone, home phone, and Skype. This way, they'll always be reachable by your esteemed and valuable clients. Every member of your organization and each department can have their own voicemail boxes with their own personalized greetings. All voicemails will be emailed to them. You and your personnel can be in the same building or 1,000 miles apart. Our phone system will keep you connected. You'll also get a separate number in line for your fax machine. Faxes are emailed to you as PDF. You can also use our simple apps to make phone calls from your smartphones. Your client will see your business number as the caller ID, further enhancing the professional image of your company. Save over 60% on your total cost. We provide all-inclusive monthly plans along with free minutes. There are no contracts and there is no activation or upfront cost. You can try our service free for a month and give it a test run. Impress your clients with a professional image and never miss a sales call again. Join tens of thousands of happy customers who are using our service for over 14 years. That's why we're rated A+ by the Better Business Bureau.